Okay, I'm gonna do a video showing how I remove wheels from metal bases. I've seen a lot of people asking how to do that, so I'm gonna show everybody how I do it. First off, you need a 5/64 drill bit. I use Cobalt. That's the type I use. Is for drilling steel. They last a lot longer and they cut a lot better. They cost a little bit more, but a couple bucks really is plenty worth it. And then a 3/16 bit. That's to drill the head off the rivet. So start out with 5/16. I put the drill bit kind of further down in there just so it seems to keep from breaking a lot easier. There's the base. I drill a pilot hole. I drill slow. Make sure everything's lined up. This is where it matters most. If you get off center now, you're going to be drilling the wrong way.
Alright.
And I'm just trying to get a pilot hole for the 3/16 so it's centered. And I use 3-in-1 oil. 3-in-1 oil keeps your bit sharp longer, and it makes it cut better too. So. See if I can get it to focus. It's real hard to tell how deep it is, but that's about as deep as I go. Not real deep, just enough so that this 3/16 bit goes in straight. 3/16. Little oil. Alright. And with this, you go really slow. Once you get used to this, it's so easy. Make a few turns, and then I just kind of pop off what I've already cut, so it's not getting in the way. And the key to this is just taking your time and holding it straight. And you'll get to where you can feel when it's through the head. It'll just kind of like really bite into it. And when it does that, you can kind of just turn the bit a little bit and it'll pop it. Like that. Then just kind of smooth it out. Alright. Now this one. Keep that bit clean too. I wish I could actually put the camera on it so that y'all could see, but it's really not that hard once if you just go slow and have a good sharp bit. See, just pops right off. And now, and this part is the one that I think most people have the most questions about, and that's getting the axles out of the, I don't even know what you call those things, the tabs. But what I use is, I got 2 screwdrivers, both flatheads. Turn on the, see if I can turn the flash on.
Pigs. It's called pigs.
Well, I guess I don't have a flash on the front on this camera. But I filed down the tip of it. And there you go, thing focus.
Nobody deserves to have their truck stolen, especially one that's got sentimental value like this. Yeah, we gotta do a bit of repair to this one.
Well, it's not gonna focus, but it's really thin. And this is the one that I start with. And then I've got another one that I just use. It's got, you know, a bigger handle, and it's just, I can use more leverage on this one. See if I can get this thing to focus. See if I can get my drill to put some light on here. There we go, it's a little bit better. But I come in from the side. And I just kind of work it in there. Make the little slot a little bit bigger so that I can get this other one in here. And the key is to not force the metal from these pegs down on top of the axle. Because once you do that, you're going to be digging for a while. So the key is to get this thing in from the side. And just work it back and forth until you can create a gap big enough to get the little bit bigger screwdriver in there. It's really hard to focus the camera and do this at the same time. Then get the other one. And twist. Put it in there on the single one, and use the other one to kind of twist and pry it back. Do the same on the other side. And there it is. Make quick work of it. Take your time. Don't push this metal from these pegs down on top of the axle. And it's quick. See, that one's already got enough room for this other screwdriver. So then stick it down in there. Twist. Boom. Out. It's that quick. And I've got another video on YouTube about how to make custom axles. So y'all can watch that one if you don't know how to do that. Alright, thanks for watching.